Welcome to Activity 61. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with 1/2 of the holes 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Begin by placing your spinner on top. These numbers are worth the whole. The numbers on the board are worth 1/2 of the holes. Each player will need a transparent counter. They have to be transparent so as both players can see underneath, because more than one player can land on the same space. The aim of the game is to be the first player to work your way around the board and finish at the finish line. Let's begin. Player 1 spins 18 and they say 1/2 of 18 is 9, so they need to move to the next space that is worth 9. They do not move 9 spaces. Player 2's turn. They spin 12. 1/2 of 12 is 6, so they move to the next 6, which, lucky for them, is here. The green spaces mean move forward 3. The red spaces mean move back 2. Play continues as we work our way around the board. And let's pick up here. If it was the green player's turn, they would spin. They would say in their head 1/2 of 14 is 7, so they'd move to the 7. Blue player's turn, they spin 20. 1/2 of 20 is 10. Green player's turn, 1/2 of 20 is 10. The next 10 is just here, so they win. If you see someone who lands on the wrong space and you correctly identify that, you get to move forward 3 spaces and the person who made the error has to move back 2. Now it's your turn.